Welcome to SOS Electronic. Today we will introduce CRC ECO Complex Blue, powerful industrial cleaning with an eco-friendly edge. A cleaner that removes grease, oils, dirt, blood, nicotine, food residues and other tough stains from any washable surface can still be safe for both your equipment and the environment. Meet CRC ECO Complex Blue, an effective eco-conscious solution you can rely on. Use it to boost cleaning efficiency in your facility. ECO Complex Blue is a water-dilutable, non-flammable cleaner that features a powerful blend of active ingredients suitable for most solid surfaces. It works effectively on metals, plastics, and painted materials across various industries, including manufacturing, engineering, building maintenance, automotive, and even food processing, as it is classified as a food processing safe product. Thanks to its versatility, it's ideal for use in pressure washers, ultrasonic cleaners, and steam cleaning systems. Free from harsh chemicals, it's gentle on surfaces, helping to extend equipment lifespan while improving cleaning efficiency, reducing downtime, and cutting maintenance costs. It is available in 3 formats: 1 liter ready-to-use spray, economical concentrate of 520 or 200 liters, recommended mainly for industrial use, and high-performance 500 ml non-drip foam spray, recommended for vertical or heavily soiled surfaces for enhanced cleaning performance. You can find more information, including specific use cases, in the technical datasheet on our website. Key benefits of CRC ECO Complex Blue are enhanced cleaning performance, lower cleaning and maintenance costs, easy versatile application as it rinses off easily with water, therefore no complex neutralization is required. On top of that, it is food industry safe with NSF A1 certification, and it is environmentally responsible solution with biodegradable formula. We have added the effective and eco-friendly ECO Complex Blue cleaner to our range, and it is available directly from our stock and ready for your projects. If you are interested in more information about CRC Industries products, or if you need technical advice, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We are here to help you. For more details, visit us at soselectronic.com.